Hello everyone, welcome to the Mule, and today's video is on Birds of Prey box office because I have good news. I have good news for all you misogynist white men out there. Box office, Birds of Prey flies off course with 13 million Friday. You know what that means? That's not actually 13 million Friday. That's 4 million Thursday and 9 million Friday. That's terrible. That's what like a romantic comedy would get. This is DC. Birds of Prey lays an egg at the box office, set for worst opening since Jonah Hex. Birds of Prey fails to worst DC weekend opening since Jonah Hex, flailing with 34 million box office. I just did a video the other day on I think it was on my other channel, Cultivus Prime, where I think it was a Yahoo article or something, ABC News or something. One of these articles where they're like, Birds of Prey is gonna like slay with like $55 million. No, it's gonna be about 34 million, opening lower than expected. Okay, let's look at the Hollywood Reporter article. Birds of Prey flies off course with 13 million Friday. The female-led DC pick starring Margot Robbie is Harley Quinn, opening well behind expectations in the U.S. No, it's not. This is a lie. This is a lie. This is lies and lies and lies by these woke media members who want, oh my god, it's a women movie, so we need to say that it's like amazing, have like 90% on Rotten Tomatoes. No. Look at this. One surprise, Birds of Prey skewed male on Friday with 53%, according to leading exit polling service PostTrack. Cinema Score, which polls only Smatterson, shows a different result, with females making up 51% of its respondents. Oh, it doesn't matter. Yeah, men are the ones who go to the movies. Men are the one who goes to action movies. Men are the one who go to superhero movies. So why would you in the marketing and have like Ewan McGregor and Margot Robbie say like, this movie's like for women. Women are like amazing. Men are evil. Men are all the villains in the movie. Why would you trash men? If you want to make money, why do you trash men? Why do you make a feminist movie where all the women are good and all the men are bad? This doesn't make sense. This is get woke, go broke, like incarnate. This is how you don't make money. Look at the last Charlie's Angels movie that did 8 million domestic opening weekend. That is unbelievable. Yeah, they're going to... Birds of Prey was the weekend's only wide release and easily topped the charts. Bad Boy for Life will come in number 2 with projected 12 million. Yeah. They have no competition. Listen to this. This movie has no competition this whole week. Everyone has seen all the other movies, like 1917, Bad Boys for Life, The Gentleman. Everyone's seen these movies. But you get your woke female cast with your woke identity politics, with your women are amazing, men are like evil politics. And what do you get? You get 32 to 35 million opening, which is the lowest ever for probably any superhero movie ever. Let's remind you that Venom from Sony did 80 million opening. Okay? It's a disaster. And it's going to fall probably 60% next weekend. So what's that? So next weekend it's going to do maybe 15 million. Because Sonic comes out on February 14th weekend, Valentine's Day. This is a Valentine's Day movie, a rated R movie where men get skewered and women are like, amazing. This movie's in deep trouble. So, that's the video for today. Birds of Prey in deep, deep, deep water. Did you see the movie? Is it good? Let me know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.